Hi guys, I'm Max with Esoteric Detailing. Today I wanted to take a second and talk about Ceramic Detailer and why it remains one of my most recommended products to this day. All right, Ceramic Detailer by Gyeon. Like I said, one of my most recommended products for any detailer, advanced or beginner. It's a ceramic infused quick detailer by Gyeon. So really easy to use. Pretty low SiO2 content, so it's going to be really easy and convenient to use. Not going to leave a lot of streaks. It's not going to be hard to apply. The way I would use it is apply it on microfibers, not in direct sunlight, using it in the shade or garage space. It's going to be really good for adding a lot of hydrophobic properties to a freshly washed car, or maintaining a ceramic coating that's already existing on the car. Designed for ceramic coated vehicles, but can be used as a standalone product. Just a really good all-around convenient product. And we are now offering the Ceramic Detailer in a kit with 4 microfiber towels. So I'll be doing a demo in a little bit, showing you guys how I like to use the Ceramic Detailer and the towels. But yeah, 4 towels with the kit as well as the Ceramic Detailer itself. So you're gonna want at least 2 towels when using the product. I wouldn't use it on any dusty cars or dirty cars, or when you're pulling up to a car show after you've been driving. I would save this for after a fresh wash, just to add a little bit of more depth, a little bit more gloss and hydrophobic properties to the finished product of the wash. Just to sum up, an SiO2 infused ceramic quick detailer can be used as a standalone product or to maintain a ceramic coating that's already on the vehicle. Now let's get in the demo and I'll show you guys how I like to use it. All right, now let's get into using the Ceramic Detailer itself. Here I have 2 towels as well as the Ceramic Detailer and a perfectly clean C8 Corvette. This is the best instance in when to use the Ceramic Detailer. Don't want to use it on a dusty, dirty, grimy car. You want to make sure the car's washed and the surface is clean. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead. I got my 2 towels, one for application of the product, another for wiping off any residue to get out any streaks. I'm going to put 2 to 3 sprays in the towel itself in sort of an X pattern to get some even distribution there. Then I'm just going to go ahead, very light pressure, just apply that product to the panel, and then go ahead with my secondary towel. Once again, light pressure, just removing that excess, kind of looking in the light, making sure I got all streaks out. Really easy and straightforward product to use. Yeah, you can instantly feel how slick the product is. I'll go ahead and do this area of the panel as well. A couple more sprays. Just kind of work it in, very light pressure. Remove that residue. Feel that slickness. That's really all there is to it. Awesome. So if any of you guys have any experiences you'd like to share with the product or any feedback on the Ceramic Detailer itself, feel free to leave a comment below and we will respond to your comments. Thanks for hanging out today on the Ceramic Detailer discussion. Take care. Have a great one.